Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, Pele. How are you?
I'm fine. Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Listen, this festival, the Spirit of Goa, is it happening in Kola today?
Yes, ma'am. Today is 25th. It's also tomorrow, which is 26th. You should come and enjoy Goan music.
How much is the entry?
It's free, absolutely. Tourism of Goa. This made for Goan cultural program like every year.
Wow, what about the food? I love Goan food.
Oh, ma'am, there is a lot of different type of food, and you can come and try my calamari Goan style. My stall will be there. Will be there. There will be a lot of mocktail, cocktail, cashew Feni, and our seasonal urak. You should come and test our seasonal urak too.
What about the music? Goan
Oh,
music?
ma'am, there is a lot of good quality Goan music, good DJ, good singers. And I see also yesterday lot of Goan children with mama, papa, husband and wife. You should also come
Absolutely.
and enjoy our life with wife.
See you there.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.